Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best bed frames on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Best Price Mattress Metal Platform Bed Frame. The Best Price Mattress Metal Platform Bed Frame is a beautifully crafted, sturdy option that's perfect for any bedroom. This bed doesn't require a box spring and is equipped with 6 steel legs and a center bar support for stability that won't let you down in the middle of the night. The additional legs and center bar increase contact points with the ground, making it secure yet elevated. It also has enough vertical clearance for extra storage space underneath the bed. What we like about it: lightweight but stable construction. Equipped with noise-free padding. Compatible with headboards and futons. What we don't like about it: slats are a bit hard to fit. Number 2. Zenus Metal Bed Frame. If you're looking for an impressive and affordable option, look no further than the Zenus Metal Bed Frame. Made of medium-density fiber board that looks just like real wood, this bed frame can withstand regular use without showing any visible signs of wear and tear. With its steel framework and closely spaced wood slats, this durable foundation will easily support up to 700 pounds. Another great thing about this bed frame is that its closely spaced wood slats provide the necessary support for a latex, memory foam, or spring mattress without needing an extra box spring. What we like about it: excellent packaging to prevent chipping. Slats keep the mattress in place. What we don't like about it: the included wrench is small. Number 3. Unveil Bed Frame. The unveil bed frame is a stylishly modern and highly functional piece of bedroom furniture. You can easily assemble it in an hour or less, and it requires no box spring. This bed frame is crafted of high-quality metal and wooden components, allowing it to support up to 800 pounds. The headboard is upholstered with fabric and features a smooth, elegant appearance, making it suitable for various decorative styles. Additionally, the EVA bar prevents noise from friction, resulting in no squeaking or creaking when lying on the bed. What we like about it: relatively easy to put together. Skin-friendly, breathable upholstery. Hook and loop design for added stability. What we don't like about it: parts aren't labeled. Number 4. Yahitech Classic Metal Platform Bed Frame. The Yahitech Classic Metal Platform Bed Frame is durable and suitable for any decorating style, from modern to traditional, farmhouse, and rustic. It has a beautiful silhouette that strikes the perfect balance between classic and contemporary styles. For enhanced comfort, the bed features a higher headboard than other metal beds, resulting in improved head protection and a comfortable place to sit and relax with a book or watch television. The footboard also prevents bedding from falling onto the floor during sleep for added safety. What we like about it: plenty of storage space underneath. Comes with tools for assembly. Made with scratch-proof metal. What we don't like about it: makes squeaky noise. Number 5. Lindsay Living Platform Metal Bed Frame. The Lindsay Living Platform Metal Bed Frame features an ergonomic headboard with captivating lights that create a serene atmosphere for a peaceful bedtime experience. The 95-degree tilted headboard, designed to fit the curve of your backrest, ensures optimal comfort and a healthy sleeping position. With its adjustable 3-level brightness, you can customize the lighting to suit your preferences. Assembly is a breeze thanks to its patented technology and quick-lock design. Each part is clearly labeled and numbered, eliminating any confusion during the installation process. What we like about it: fast and easy assembly. Built-in charging station. What we don't like about it: LED lighting could be more customizable. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.